In Chapter 2, we're going to look at earning and income. And so we're going to start with talking about wages and salaries. So a couple definitions to start off with. We've got gross pay here. Let's pull out a pen. It should be working. So we've got gross pay, which is the total amount of money earned before deductions, so also called your gross earnings or gross income. So gross just means large, the large amount. So this is what somebody asks, how much do you make? You tell them that. How much do you make a year? You tell them that. This is before deductions. So the government, and there's other deductions as well that come off your paycheck, but this is your basic amount before that's done. Then you've got deductions. So this is money taken off your paycheck to pay things like taxes, union fees, and other benefits and programs. So those deductions are taken off your pay, and then you get a certain amount. So what you say you make a year ends up not being what you take home in a year. So a salary, a wage, or an income is the amount of money you receive for the work you do. So some pay is calculated by the hour, others is annual income, and then it's paid out weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. So for example, if you go work at Dairy Queen, they'll pay you a certain amount per hour. If you're the manager at Dairy Queen, you might get an annual income. A teacher will get an annual income, and then it's just broken down in monthly payments. So here in example 3, Marcus works as an electrician. He earns $24.68 an hour. If it takes him 15 hours for one job, how much will he earn? So we can do this a couple ways. We can do it as a proportion. So it would be 24.68 over 1 hour equals X for 15 hours. Or you can just think, well, 1 hour gets this, how much will it be for 15 hours? It's just a multiplication. So 24.68 times 15. So we'll throw that into our calculators. We got 24.68, and he's getting paid for 15 hours. He earns $370.20. Make sure when you're working with money that you're going to 2 decimal places and that you're writing down both. So on your calculator, probably will say 370.2. Add that 0 after because we're talking about money, and that's how we write it. So he will earn $370.20.